The Honeywell Portable 12,000 BTU air conditioner is a 3-in-1 unit providing cooling, dehumidification, and a fan. This portable air conditioner can cool rooms up to 550 square feet and does so with powerful airflow and quiet operation. The auto-evaporation means no buckets are required to empty this unit, and the long-lasting washable dust filter makes for quick and easy installation. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 69 pints every 24 hours, with continuous drain options for a longer unattended operation. The unit provides you with 3 speed settings, feather touch digital controls, 24-hour energy-saving timer, and all this can be controlled by the included remote control. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.